up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm back with a Sam's Club haul. Yes, I did a whole separate video of my Sam's Club shop with me. So if you want to see that video, I'm going to put it right here. Anywho, let's get into what I bought. The first thing I want to show y'all is this cute champion outfit I bought for Gorgeous. It was $9.98. It came with a little champion skort. That's what you call them. It's a skirt slash. It got shorts. So skort. This champion shirt. Hey, pretty girl. Oh, you doing your muscles? Gorgeous done turned her marshmallows into a weight bar. Let me see. How strong are you? Go. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you, pretty girl. All right, Peach Patch also came with this shirt, Follow Your Dreams, and then Champion. So I like these outfits. They only be like 10 bucks, which I feel like it's a good deal because you get 2 shirts. All right, Peach Patch. I also bought Clorox bleach. It's 3 in here for like $13.98. I bought 2, so 1 and 2. For those of you who are new here, I love to have my house fully stocked with cleaning supplies, food. Drinks is something we struggle with because my family is very particular about the kind of juices they like to drink. It's been a challenge finding something everybody like. So we always run out of drinks. But I try to always have food, soap, dish detergent, tissue. Even before the pandemic, it's just the way that I was raised. Also, I've experienced financial hardships before, and I know what it's like to struggle to buy, you know, garbage bags, soap, deodorant, like your necessary, your essentials in food. So I always try to have that stuff. That way, no matter if my income drops, maybe one month on YouTube I don't do so well. Hopefully that never happens. But that's always in the back of my mind. Maybe one month I don't do so well. I have a house full of food, household products and things like that. So I'm not stressed. Plus I like to gamble. The next thing I want to show you guys is these 2 mop heads. We have the mop bucket, the Members Mark mop bucket from Sam's Club, as well as the mop. But we've had that mop for a couple months, so I knew I needed to change the mop head. This was $7.98. I could have bought a whole new mop for $7.98 with the stick, but this came with 2 heads. So I think this was a better buy for us. There's nothing wrong with our stick. So for now, this is what I'm going to use. I also got me some Febreze. This is the value pack. I can't remember how much this costs, but I like to spray my bed and the kids' bed every time I remake them with Febreze. Like my bed, I spray it every morning when I make it up. Next, I got the 200 Power Flex Tall Kitchen Bags. This is Member Marks, which is a Sam's Club product. One of my subscribers actually suggested I buy these. They was like, Peaches, you keep shopping in the Dollar Tree for bags. Try the Member Marks. It's a really good deal. They're going to last longer, blah, 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 blah. And at first I was like, girl, I'm a dollar store kind of girl. I could get me 7 bags, 9 if I'm lucky from the Dollar Tree. But when I broke it down and did the math, 9 times these bags are now what? What is now, babe? $16.98 or $15.98? They're 15, so I'm going to say $16. 9 times 16. Patch, even if I went to Dollar Tree and I bought 16 bags, 16 garbage bags for just $1, and I got lucky and got the 9 count, it would still only be 144 bags. So this ended up being a better buy, which is why I now buy them from Sam's Club. I also was skeptical about the tie, because I hate those kind of bags. I love flip ties. But actually, these haven't given us any issues. They haven't bust open. So I like this thing. I do keep all of my bags when I shop. Throw Dookie diapers and things of that nature in these. But this is the roll that we've been working on. So we've had this roll for 2 months. And we still got a whole roll left. So I didn't need that. I just bought it as extra. Like I said, I try to keep my house fully stocked. All right, since we're talking about cleaning products, I also bought a new broom. It's 2 packs. I say it's a 4-pack. Daddy said it's a 2-pack because it's 2 brooms and 2 dustpans. The big one I'm going to keep downstairs. The small one I'm going to take upstairs with us. I don't know what waste on here. It look like the kids' pizza. That's what that looked like. The next thing I bought were these Joyful Citrus and Daisy. I don't love this scent, but we needed some more plug-ins. The scent I really liked was, what was it? Citrus Blossom. The kind I tried last time I went to Sam's Club. Love them, love them, love them. Can't find them anywhere, not even at Walmart. So we just bought this. After that, I have these spaghetti and meatballs. I have never bought these in Sam's Club. Honestly, I've never seen them until today, and I got super hyped. You get, how many, 12 for $9.98. Daddy thought that was expensive, but I'm like, babe, that's less than $1 a can. I think it's a good buy. We bought 2. So that's a 24 count, and these should last us all summer. We already have like raviolis. My kids don't really eat stuff like this, but I'm like, shoot, I want to eat this with ham and cheese. I remember being young, staying at my great-grandma's house and my grandma's house. During the summer, they would give us this with a ham and cheese sandwich, and it was delicious. Ham and cheese and dip it in that tomato sauce and eat it. Oh, it was like heaven. Comment down below if y'all eat y'all's like that. For those of you who are thinking, Peach, that's not enough for your family, we do have some more regular beef raviolis. I do need to still go to the other grocery store. I shop at Walmart, Sam's Club, Save a Lot. I shop at multiple places, so I'm still gonna go there and get noodles and stuff. But for now, I'm gonna put my SpaghettiOs on this roll, and I'll probably stack my noodles up. But I am gonna go buy noodles and stuff. All right, Peach Patch, the next thing I got was this Charmin. This stuff is high. This is $21.98, and you get 32 rolls. But honestly, these last a long time. I got another pack of these downstairs in my storage closet, and then I have one in each bathroom. So we do have enough tissue for the whole summer. I don't have to buy tissue if I don't want to. Over here, Peach Patch, we got our applesauce. This is the Member Smart brand. It's 45 cups in here. I cannot remember the price, unfortunately. But if you go back to my shopping video, you can see how much we paid for it. I also got these cups of diced peaches, mixed fruit, and mandarins. And then I got the cherry mixed fruit. This is a favorite in my household. Like, when Choice comes from school and he see this, he probably gonna eat like 4 cups. Okay? Like, this go like this. But I'll put 1/16 pack in the refrigerator for the kids, and I'll put this one in the pantry. I also got these Member Marks paper towels, which we only had a couple left. I really like these as well. They last really long, and they're super, super thick. You don't have to use a lot. Like, even when I fry chicken, I only use 3 rolls versus using 6. So I feel like they last me longer, so I buy them from Sam's Club now instead of Dollar Tree. Get it twisted, I would still go to the dollar store and ball out. All right, Peach Patch, I also bought 2 packs of these White Castle sliders. Now, these things was a little pricey. I think they were $9.98, but it's 16 in each one. I bought 2 packs because, as I've stated numerous times, it is about to be summer. Today is Thursday. My kids' last day of school is tomorrow, Friday. Then they out for 2 whole months. Hold on, pretty girl. For 2 whole months, they won't go back to school until August. So we got June, July that we got to make it through. Okay, pretty girl. I'm going to be home more. They're going to be home more. So they're going to be eating more. I want them to have food like this that they could just microwave and I ain't got to worry about it. I also got 2 of these pancake and sausage on a stick. You get 20 for $9.98. Peach Patch, my kids are so noisy, but thank goodness Daddy is walking to get the boys from school. So I sent Baby and Gorgeous to walk with him so we can have a little bit of peace. Peach Patch, so back to these sausage on a stick. You get 20 for $10 basically, so 50 cents each is how I would look at it. But I love these when I don't feel like cooking. Gorgeous and Baby love to eat these in the morning. When their siblings are at school, those are mornings I really don't have to cook. In the summer, I know I'm gonna cook way more often. I'm probably gonna be making a lot of breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I'll be uploading more on cooking with Peach. But yeah. All right, Peach Patch, I also bought these Hot Pockets pepperoni pizza. It is McINTYRE, Daddy and Gorgeous' favorite favorite type of Hot Pocket. I prefer the ham and cheese, but I hardly ever eat Hot Pockets, so I don't really buy them. If I do, I only do the 2-pack. I also bought 2 boxes of the Velveeta Macaroni. Y'all know this is our favorite. In my household, Velveeta shells and cheese, our absolute favorite. It's 8 in the box, so that's a total of 16. Got Gorgeous these Troll Marshmallow cereal that she wanted. Daddy was like, no, she don't need them. But they were $5 and some change. I was like, get them. We be battling with stuff like that. I got a shopping problem. I also got 3 cups of the Velveeta macaroni. I normally only buy 2, but like I said, it's the summertime. I know the kids gonna be home eating more often. No, this is McINTYRE's favorite food. He's a picky eater. When I don't cook what he wants for dinner, he'll come make him macaroni. When he get out of school, he makes macaroni. So that's why I bought 3. This will last them at least May until the middle of June, if not the whole month of June. I also bought these young chickens. I really don't buy meat out of Sam's Club because I go to the meat store, but it was 2 for $12. I was like, let me just get them. I don't know if that's even enough for my family. We might need 3, but yeah, we're gonna use this over summertime. Also got 3 cans of Vienna sausages. These were $7.98 each. Gorgeous and Baby and Choice Love Vienna sausage. Baby will eat 2 cans of this like it's nothing. So that's why I bought 3. They don't have quantity limits on this stuff anymore, but they do have a quantity limit on chicken and did not have any chicken wings. Also got me some more butter. This is my favorite. I call it butter. Y'all call it March. And I say, if I want to call it butter in my house, let me, judge you, mammy. I bought 1 thing of yellow rice because we still have some. I also got 2 things of Aunt Jemima. They took a little picture of Aunt Jemima's syrup. So 2 of those. I got 2 10-pound bags of pancake mix. We can use this for pancakes and waffles. I highly recommend it. My kids love it, love it, love it, love it. And it lasts a long time. This should last us 6 to 8 months, depending on how often I do it. Now, I do like the frozen microwavable pancakes. Peach Patch. I also bought some orange juice. This is Simply Orange. Pulp free. I do not like pulp in my orange juice. So I got those. It was 2 for $5. I think 68. I can't remember the exact price. Daddy picked out Baby D's rain boots. Gorgeous love boots. He be trying to copy Gorgeous. They light up. We thought they were the cutest little things. So these are babies. Comment down below what y'all think about these. Also got Gatorade. Gorgeous really been wanting Gatorade, but everybody been drinking it. So we bought 1 thing of Gatorade. 248 mini waters. They're 8 ounces. 1 pack of core waters. This is supposed to be mine, but we already know my kids want the good stuff, so they're gonna drink my waters. We also got 2 things of Nestle Pure Life waters. And I know somebody might say, Peaches, you don't need to buy bottled waters. Just get you a refillable cooler or whatever. Our refrigerator has a filter on it, and we could put water and fill up our water bottles and things like that. However, when it comes to my kids, they will drink packaged drinks before they drink like actual drinks that they have to pour. So it's easier to convince them to drink water when it's in a bottle. They like want to grab it and drink it. We also got these kosher dill spares by Mount Olive. Daddy like pickles. The kids love pickles. I really don't eat pickles, so that's for them. We also got 7 Gatorades. We also got 7 Capri Suns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, these not going to last long. The Capri Suns going to probably last a week, if even that, in my house. Because I am the kind of mom that let the kids just grab whatever they want, eat whatever they want, whenever they feel like it. And the last thing on the list is these eggs. I got 7.5 dozen of eggs. I got to make room in my refrigerator for these. Peach Patch, my boys are now home from school. Gorgeous want to eat her cereal and stuff. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, eat it, baby. It's marshmallows. You know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like he like. Hey, hit her like he like. Hit her like he like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Hit her like he like. Hit her like he like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like he like. You like my videos. Hit her like he like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like he like. You getting paper. Hit her like he like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like he like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, hit her like he like, for your girl go. Fly with a like, rock with a like, to the left, to the right, go like, Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like Africa, go like, worldwide, go like, I hope y'all like this song. Yep, that's right, hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.